All right, guys, we got a 2010 Mazda 3. We're in here in Mazda MMP. Well, it doesn't say. It's version 112. I just had to update. So this is interesting. We're just called out for a software update, but the customer found that their vehicle had some kind of service bulletin. They took it to the dealer, and the dealer said it should have been free, but it was already done. So they declined. They told the customer they're gonna have to pay for it. So they took it to this shop that uses me. So now we're here. Hey, David. So when you open up Mazda MMP, it tells you how to make sure you got the correct pass-through selected. Sure. I just pulled this thing back up and jumped off. Establish an internet connection and select confirm. I started to do this and I was like, oh, I better document this. So I backed out. Confirm. I hate fumbling around the car trying to grab VIN numbers and stuff like that while I'm messing around. JM1BL1SF. Okay. Yes, this is a Mazda 3. All right, so we're going to go up here to the toolbox. We're going to go to module programming. You can either hit enter or click the tick mark, one of the two. So this is, the VIN number was JM1, so pay attention, you have to select the correct one. Press enter. We're going to go to module reprogramming. Only option in this one is the PCM because this is their JBox software. We'll press enter again, or you can click the tick mark down at the bottom. So as it goes through VIN verification, we'll click enter again. Is this correct? We'll select yes, that is correct. What is this? Platform procedure using an MP application you purchased. The reason for the model program may pertain to a field service action recommended. Oh, okay. I had this once before, so we're going to click print, and we're going to make sure he gets a signature from the customer. I'm just going to save this on the laptop. Let me see here. Just going to see if this will save this file real quick. Yeah. Let me just save it as Mazda. I guess I'll have to send this to Jerry and have him, or to Lance, and have him print this off for the customer and have them sign it and have him give me a copy for it. So this might be what they're talking about. This is saying field service action recommended by the manufacturer for customer service. Such services are provided for each, in many instances provided for HRC. That's all right. So they're getting something different. So we're going to go on. We're going to go to the next thing. It says a later calibration is available. Do you want to program the PCM with it? The current level ends in D. The newest level ends in J. So quite a few steps there. They've changed a lot. And this is here for some kind of DTC. I'm not sure what the whole process was, but we're going to click yes. Locating necessary files. It says connect the battery charge of the vehicle, connect power supply to the PC. Okay, we've got all that done. The blower's off. All that stuff's off. We have our Power Max 100 amp maintainer set at 13.5. We're using the Cardac Plus 3. And we got this janky setup with it wrapped around because the plug-in for this thing is kind of janky, so I don't want to disturb the cable, so we're trapped in the vehicle. Hey, Corey. Hey, Fernando. I didn't see you come in here, Corey. It says a couple minutes ago. Happy New Year. So we'll click confirm. It says switch the ignition off. So off. This is a manual, so it's got the button next to the lock cylinder. We'll press enter. Switch it on. Oh, hello. And then we'll click enter. Erase procedure in process. Downloading data. I've not done a Mazda with the Cardac 3, so fingers crossed here, guys. So far, it's done everything. I mean, it's been a good unit so far. Yeah. It's lunchtime after this, though. You can see that the cluster went offline while it's programming. It's kind of knocked the network out while it's doing this. And usually the Fords and Mazdas are quick enough. You could probably use like a jump box or something as long as the battery's good and charged, but I just never risk it. I always just break out the charger. Okay, it got to the end. The cluster lit back up. It says programming complete. Run the onboard test. Clear DTCs. We'll click enter. Switch the ignition to off. That's what it says. So we'll go off. Brick time. Thanks, Keith. We'll press enter. All right, we'll go back on. I don't think there's going to be any DTC clearing in here at all. It's just, yeah, just module program patch functions. So we're going to have to get another tool to clear the codes. But anyways. Hey, Stephen Hayes. Awesome. Glad you got it. That's right, Keith. You know I'll call you if this bricks too. No, it's done. We're done programming. I just got to go grab another tool. I didn't bring anything else in the car with me. Just using my Tough Book here. This is my CF19. It's been through many battles. You know. So guys, that's pretty much it. I mean, we're done for today. Or done for this car for today. So I'm gonna grab my little launch, clear all the codes, and ship it. I mean, I wasn't asked for any diagnosis. I was asked to come out, program the module, and shake a hand, kiss a baby, get a check, and leave. So, see you guys next time. I got another 3 cars, the next call to go to. I may or may not film, just depends how much I got to mess around with, if it frustrates me or not. So, all right, guys. Remember, like, subscribe, comments. If you want to learn more about module programming, join my Patreon channel. We've got a couple tiers where we do some training. It is patreon.com/Keith Perkins. So we'll see you there. Bye, guys.